कर लेता पूरा. So here I'm saying ecologically right. Are you not hurting anyone? Illegal तो नहीं कर रहे हो, टैक्स की चोरी तो नहीं कर रहे हो, जीएसटी पे कर रहे हो, टीडीएस कटने दे रहे हो, and you are loving it. And I'm going to ask you to make this statement. I am loving my richness principles. I love my richness principles. So ecologically right. And last is वो realistically मेरे goals में fit होता है या नहीं. वो सिर्फ तारिश ने कहा था तो मैंने लिख लिया, ऐसा नहीं है. तो 5 साल में आप वो क्या 5 चीजें चाहते हैं जो हो जाए तो आप बोलेंगे मेरी लाइफ बहुत मजे में गुजरी है. एनी शेयर? श्योर प्लीज. सो आई एम गोइंग टू करेक्ट यू अगर वो ठीक नहीं हुए तो, राइट?
I will have the power of money to sponsor best possible education to my children, and I want to earn and convince my husband.
Because the pull is left behind. And we are looking at, can I say, jettisoning ourselves into that orbit today, where you are free from that gravitational force which is kind of pulling you back, because that's holding you back. That is what is saying, yehi hai sahi aapke liye. And those who have your brothers, your husbands, your sons, your father, with due respects, they may be holding you back. Okay, do you know एफडी से बाहर कुछ नहीं होता है? आपको मालूम भी है प्रॉपर्टी लेके क्या होता है? आपको मालूम है म्यूचुअल फंड्स क्या होते हैं? शेयर्स में तो पैसे डूब ही जाते हैं, कैसे लगाओगे उसमें अकेले पैसे? आपको मालूम क्या है? एंड देन यू स्टार्ट सेइंग, अरे ये बोल रहे हैं तो सच होगा. नाउ व्हाट डू आई डू? Isn't it happening with you? So I am trying to break those disempowering beliefs. I'm not calling it beliefs now. I'm calling it disempowering beliefs, which is holding my power back and is not allowing me to go forward. And I'll try and tell you that I am also like you. My wife is there, Meghna. My son Bhavya is there, and my daughter Bhavika is helping me out today. So I have been blessed with the woman and my mother, whom I arrived. Nothing wrong that she arrived. And I will not say कि happiness कम हो गया, मैं सिर्फ expenses बता रहा हूँ. Income वहीं की वहीं रही और expenses और बढ़ गए. Not that she caused expenses, and that was our choice to have her. And now I was wondering कि और क्या करें. So I tried some steps. And now we were happy as a family. Absolutely happy that the family is complete, 2 children. And we were doing good. She was working and I was having my business into financial planning, and we were जितना आ रहा है उतना हो रहा है. अभी भी कुछ concept financial planning का नहीं आया. But at this stage, actually rather the second baby when she was expecting, she told me अगर मुझे कुछ हो जाए तो will you be able to take care of the first baby? I said yeah, वो insurance होती है वो ले लेते हैं, तो कुछ हो जाएगा तुम्हें, मुझे पैसे मिल जाएंगे and we will manage. She says yeah, if that's the only way out. And I said but I want to plan my money, that I earn and I am able to know where to spend and where to save, and then I can plan something. इतना ही समझ में आ रहा था. And this journey started there. The quest to learn about personal finance. But on the personal front, the expenses were now skyrocketing and the income was there only. And that's where I felt the first jerk in my life. A particular time when this could not match and there was a break and I went broke. No money. I tried to take some steps. I tried to do some evaluations and I could sustain. But it was just few months. Another jerk came and I went broke the second time in my life. And I said, what's happening? And my quest to learn about personal finance, because it was shaking me up. We were earning, but the expenses were increasing. And there was no planning done here. There was no foundation which I was talking about. There was nothing written out. Because still, I and my family were living on those beliefs. LIC, bank, that's it. And this continued again. And now, the business expenses were increasing. And there was a regulation which came at that point of time, the government of India, and whatever business I was doing, the entire business model got shaken. And I had to kind of exit that business model. And there was no backup plan. There was no backup plan at all, nothing. So I remember I have a car EMI, I have the school fees and the other expenses, and that particular 2 days ahead, I didn't have money. 20,000 के पता चलेगा, तुम्हारे बच्चे होंगे तभी तुम्हें पैसे की अहमियत समझ में आएगी. You will understand then. You waste money and I earn money. तुम्हें पता है मैं कितनी मेहनत करती हूँ मैम, बचपन के कुछ दिन.
I think these are what you summed up.
And I was told, तुम्हें क्या पता हो पैसे पेड़ पे उगते हैं क्या. So in my household 15th को 100 रुपए का नोट, जो 100 रुपीज की सैलरी होती थी my mother और father that time, तो वो 15th को खत्म हो जाता था 100 रुपी का नोट. एंड देन दे सेड अभी कुछ नहीं, अभी और कोई एक्सपेंसेस नहीं, जितना राशन पानी आ गया बस वही है. बिकॉज ऑल दी अदर थिंग्स हैव बीन टेकन केयर फ्रॉम 1st to 15th. स्कूल की फीस जा चुकी है, राशन आ चुका है, बिजली का बिल नहीं आ रहा, कुछ भी और नहीं आ रहा. सो 15 से 30 तक आप कुछ खर्च नहीं कर सकते हो. एंड दीज थिंग्स होल्ड यू बैक. I'll give you an example of a client who was having this thinking, नहीं ये नहीं चलेगा, ये भी नहीं चलेगा, ये होता ही नहीं है, ये मैं बता रहा नहीं चलेगा. Whatever ideas were giving to him, he said नहीं ये नहीं होगा. And then बहुत मजा आएगा, आज शाम को थोड़ी सी पार्टी करेंगे, एक समोसा तो मैं अपने स्टाफ को खिलाऊंगा. ठीक है, मैं नहीं खाऊंगा पेस्ट्री, मीठा शायद कम खाना, लेकिन स्टाफ को आज पेस्ट्री खिलाऊंगा. और मैं इतना ही कह रहा हूं कि आप ये बोले जरूर, अब आपने करना ये नहीं, वो आपकी मर्जी है. ठीक है, समोसा खिलाएं या बड़ी पार्टी करें, छोटी पार्टी करें, पेस्ट्री खिलाएं, किसी को नहीं खिलाएं, किसी को खिलाएं, ये आपकी मर्जी है. बट ट्राई एंड से आज रिजॉइस है, आज पैसे आए हैं. बिकॉज स्लोली आई एम ट्राइंग टू इंक्रीज योर हैप्पीनेस क्वोशेंट. वो रोज आएगा, वो रोज पैसे आएंगे. तो आप तकदीर को 1 मिनट रखेंगे यहां पे, लेकिन यहां से लेके यहां तक आप लक्ष्मी को वेलकम करेंगे आज से. And that is where the next step is gratitude. Be thankful that money is coming. Be thankful that that person is paying to you. Be thankful कि वो 90% आ गए. Be thankful कि आपको मिल गए. Be thankful कि आपका बैंक Yes Bank नहीं है. ठीक है? Nobody here with Yes Bank account? You have? Okay. I had. You came out of it. Okay. So none of you is a Yes Bank and you said no to a Yes Bank. So you have to have that flow of positive energy in the money to come, to allow it to come to you without any effort. वो दिवाली के दिन दरवाजा खोल के नहीं जरूरत है हमें लक्ष्मी जी को वेट करने की, रोज करने की जरूरत है, 5 बार दिन में करने की जरूरत है. मेरी रिक्वेस्ट पे इसको एक हैबिट बना लें एंड सी द थिंग्स चेंज. बिकॉज यू आर शिफ्टिंग द, उसको बोलते हैं टेक्टोनिक अर्थक्वेक, पूरा हिला रहे हैं आप आज सब कुछ. वो एक थॉट को ही हिला रहे हैं. आई एम गिविंग यू टेक्निक्स, वेरी सिंपल टेक्निक्स टू मेक इट हैपन. नाउ आई वांट यू टू डू अनदर एक्सरसाइज एंड दैट विल आंसर योर क्वेश्चन. आई वांट यू टू राइट डाउन. अभी आपने लिखे थे बिलीव्स. नाउ आई वांट यू टू राइट डाउन व्हाट आर दोस फैक्टर्स, एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स which you have always blamed for your अनसक्सेसफुल एक्टिविटीज. कि मैंने बहुत कोशिश की, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट की रेगुलेशन चेंज हो गई, लेकिन सप्लायर ठीक नहीं था, लेकिन मार्केट ठीक नहीं थी, लेकिन मार्केट डाउन हो गई, लेकिन पेमेंट नहीं आती है, लेकिन मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मना कर दिया, लेकिन मेरे हस्बैंड ने, वाइफ चाइल्ड ने मना कर दिया, पड़ोसी ने मना कर दिया. एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स जो आपके बनाए हुए फैक्टर्स नहीं है. कैन यू लिस्ट डाउन 5 फैक्टर्स क्विक? फैक्टर्स विच यू ब्लेम योर करंट स्टेटस, फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस, कि मेरा ये स्टेटस जो आज है, मेरी जो स्थिति आज है, मेरा जो आज पैसे नहीं है मेरे बैंक में, वो इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स, नॉट दैट यू डिडंट, यू वर्कड हार्ड. आई एम नॉट सेइंग लिस्ट दोस. एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स विच यू ब्लेम, क्लियरली यू से आई ब्लेम माई हस्बैंड, माई बैंक, गवर्नमेंट, मोदी, etc. etc. You blame somebody. Please write it down. 5 factors. The proposition number 1 is that you will build your richness principles. You will build your own customized richness principles. जो आज आपने देखा वो सिर्फ ट्रेलर है, क्योंकि पिक्चर अभी बाकी है दोस्त. The value number 2 is that I'm not selling you any mutual funds, insurance, products जिसमें मुझे कोई commission मिलेगी, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. In fact, I've got offers for sponsorship of this event when I'm getting more than ₹1,00,000 just for this 3 hours. बोले 10 लोग बैठे हो, 5 लोग बैठे हो, आप हमें स्पॉन्सरशिप करने दो. I said no, because that will dilute the purpose. आप लोग सब सोचेंगे तारिश ने जो बोला है ये इसलिए कर रहा है कि ₹1,00,000 मिल रहे हैं. I have refused. There is an NGO which wanted to come. I said no. Whether it's a good cause, no, because I want you to have very clear, simple thoughts and carry forward the simple thoughts to the next proposition which I am giving. So no selling of any products to you. That अब आप मेरा ये इंश्योरेंस ले लेना तो मुझे उसमें से पैसे मिल जाएंगे. I'm not going to sell you any insurance product at all or mutual fund or property and say कि अब आप अपना अकाउंट यहाँ से जाके खुलवा लीजिए और मेरे को उससे कमीशन मिलेगा. I'm not selling any product. My only advice is advice and only ideas is what I sell. A to Z, only advice. My proposition number 3 is that it's an interactive session as you have experienced it today. Interactive session means that I'm not going to proceed till you tell me ये समझ में आ गया, हमने ये principle बना लिया, हमने अभी बनाया, इसको पूरा किया. You will build your richness principles one by one. So it's an interactive session. It's not, if you've seen, I've hardly had any PowerPoint. Let me share a secret with you. June 2018, मैंने ये workshop को conceive किया and I said wow, and I've got 3 months, me and my financial planner, we sat on, we made presentations, PowerPoint, और वो लगभग इसके पिछले वाले वर्जन के ऊपर थी. 180 slides for first half, 180 slides for second half and all that. And then I did a workshop last June and it changed my perspective. And what you're seeing me here today, I wasn't the same person about 2 years back. I actually bought this pen that person brought from US. You would not find it here in anywhere in Delhi. वो 2000 रुपए की 4 पेन लेके आया था and he taught me so many things and I said ये भी चाहिए. And he explained me how to do this and he explained me how to structure this workshop. And this 2-day workshop which I'm going to give you is therefore an interactive, lively and very interesting. आप में से कोई बोर हुआ है? आप में से किसी ने मोबाइल उठाया एक्सेप्ट लावण्या ने देखा था? और किसी ने मोबाइल नहीं उठाया ना? आप कई वर्कशॉप्स में गए होंगे बट आप मोबाइल उठा के जरूर देखते हैं बिकॉज स्पीकर बोर कर रहा है. वो यहाँ खड़े होकर पोडियम पे बोल रहा है क्या आपको पता है आपका माइंड काम नहीं करता क्योंकि वो, एंड वैसे एक मोबाइल तो उठा के देख लो. आई विल इनफैक्ट नॉट अलाउ यू टू सी योर मोबाइल ड्यूरिंग दैट 2 days. ब्रेक्स में कर सकते हो. सो आई लाइक यू टू pair up with the person on your left and right. Take just 30 seconds each to tell the other person what are your challenges. What you have written out, the foundations. Why do you feel the foundation is important? So take 30 seconds to 1 minute each, then change the partner. So have a partner on your left or right. Okay? So you need to find, you can pair up with them themselves.
It was a great workshop. I got to learn so much that I didn't know about financial planning.
Attending Tarish Bhatia's workshop today has given me great insights as to how I should change my approach towards earning and growing my money.
It was a very useful workshop. I really enjoyed it.
I like the positive affirmations that he had given today for us to apply in our daily lives. I would love to tell everybody that you should come for his sessions, you should listen to his talks. This is something which was very informative for me.
Learning with Tarish Bhatia the basics of finance, and it was very, very eye-opener and an exercise which pushed us to put our finances in proper folders, create that calendar, when to do what to do, and how to create that financial security and financial freedom to live the life of our dream.
The Richness Principle workshop really changed my mind that money is not a very tough thing to get. It's easy if you can change your mindset, if you can reprogram your mind.
Mr. Bhatia's workshop today really helped me to understand the financial tools available to us which serve for good investments in the future for our family life.
This has benefited me a lot.
I would like to tell everyone that it has helped me get rid of a lot of disempowering beliefs I had about money, and there was a very nice exercise that he made us do which was about the outcomes. So he made us look for the outcomes and not just the results, which was a big mind shift